In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a nuke in Minecraft Industrial Craft. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are going to be able to craft and use a nuke if you have Industrial Craft 2. I'm going to show you on screen the basic crafting recipe to make a nuke. Keep in mind that some of these components can be switched out. For example, you can use an advanced control circuit from different mods. But as long as you have this shape in a crafting table, you are going to be able to make one nuke. You are also going to need a bunch of industrial TNT and uranium. Ideally, you want to use a stack of industrial TNT. The more industrial TNT you have, the bigger of an explosion the nuke is going to cause. For the uranium, all of these uranium items that I've listed will work, and there's also stronger types of uranium. So as you can see, the best one that you can use is plutonium. So use any of these nuclear materials, but plutonium is the best, and U-238 is the weakest. Once you have at least a stack of industrial TNT and a bunch of nuclear materials, all that you have to do is open up the interface for the nuke and place the industrial TNT around on the outer slots. Keep in mind that you don't need 8 stacks, you only need 1. As soon as you place a stack of industrial TNT on any of these slots, they will all be instantly replaced. And on the middle, all you have to do is place the nuclear materials. In order to activate the nuke, you need to use a redstone signal. A flint and steel will not work. Once you have redstone signal going to the nuke, filled with industrial TNT and nuclear materials, it is going to go off. The radius of the explosion will be determined according to the type of nuclear material that you used and the amount of industrial TNT. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a nuke in Minecraft Industrial Craft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.